Hi there, I'm Kyle. I'll be talking you through some category group options here in Joiin. This will allow us to consolidate those tracking category options from Xero and QuickBooks into single instances. To start, I'll click our top right settings cog, which will give me access to our categories page. From here, we'll select category groups using the top banner, and that will allow us to add our category group using this button right here. We can give this one a name. For now, I'll call it region, and we can start adding in our group options below that. For this one, I'll name it Northeast, and this will include our category options for both North and East, which we can select from this list here. We'll then repeat that process for each of our other groups. So in this case, we'll be creating another for our Southwest. And there we have those selected. Once done, we can click Save Category Group, and this is now going to be available on our financial report. To access this, we can click on our profit and loss, and then using this filters box at the top of the page, we can select our category class and location filter. Final step will be to select our region category group, and then make sure we have our group options selected. Hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, or if you'd like any assistance, please reach out via support@joiin.co.